Okay, so I have a 2017 Toyota Sienna minivan, and the blower motor is starting to rattle and make some strange squealing noises. So I did some research online and I discovered that the blower motor actually, I think it's made by Denso, and it actually, there are a lot of people with reports that it's who have had the same issue. So I ordered this online on Amazon, and let me get you the part number. The part number for this motor is 87103-0 Charlie 051, and I bought this online. It seems to have come from a dealer who sells online, and I paid about $125 for it shipped. So let me show you how I'm going to replace it. Okay, so to get access you need to push the passenger seat all the way back so you could lie on your back looking upwards, and there's this clip. You just press this and pull it out from this socket, and I used a Torx. I used number T20, which would be this one here, this one. Alright, all you need to do is remove the three of them. One here, the next one is right here, and the third one is right there. Alright, and it should come right out. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I took it out. I'm not hearing any strange noises, but apparently this is the problem. There's some sort of bearing inside of here that makes noise. So I'll put on the new one and see what happens. Now I have read some reviews elsewhere that some people say that the new one is just going to start making noise after a year or two. So I guess I'll find out. Another person made a comment that I found, that he said that he went to Advanced AutoZone and he picked one up with a lifetime warranty. So I guess it's aftermarket, so that might be something you might want to consider as well. But I had already purchased the OEM replacement, so I guess time will tell. Let me put it up and I can be right back. Alright, before you put it in, I think it might be a good idea just have a look inside here. Make sure there's no leaves or anything like that. There shouldn't be if your filter was in place, but it doesn't hurt to have a look. Alright, so that's it. Probably took about 5 minutes in all. Make sure you snug up these bolts really good so there's no shaking. And don't forget to put your connector back in.